some people buy jewelry, makeup, clothes. I buy plant pots. You know what I mean? Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today I have my February, it's actually like March 6th when I'm filming this, but it's gonna go up a little bit more mid-March. I have my February plant pot purchases and I'm really excited because I kind of went ham on plant pots lately and I've gone to multiple stores. I did not expect to have this many for this video, but putting them all together right now, I just have so many. So of course I'm really excited to share with you guys because I share with you guys everything plant related. So let's just get right into the video. All right, so I'm gonna share with you my favorite one first, and look how cute this is. So cute. I love this. I found this at Target dollar section and I actually want to go try to get some more because they had like the solid tan ones, the ones without the black on it. This is so tiny. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but I love this and it's really cute for decorating and making this like a floor plant. My fiddle leaf fig is pretty small, but it's been growing very fast, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to keep it in this pot for a while because I'm not sure if it'll last in this pot. But yeah, I'm so excited. I love this one. It's so cute. Another thing, just to let you guys know, I always keep my plants in nursery pots and I just put them in cash pots, like the decorated pots I put them inside of. So I have that with all my pots pretty much except for succulents. So next up from Target, I got these cute little pots, and these I have succulents in which need to get watered, but I just think they're so cute. This one says, enjoy the little things, and this one says, you feel like sunshine, and I just love the colors, like the pastel-y colors of these. So it comes in a pack of 2 at Target for like $3. It's also in the dollar section. So I think like these 2 came together, and then there was also a terracotta color that was plain. So you get like one with a phrase on it and one that's plain. And yeah, I just thought this was such a good deal. I honestly should go get some more because they're so cute. But yeah, love those from Target. This one I also got from Target and I love it. It's so cute and feminine. Like this font, I have to say, is like my favorite font. Like I want to get a tattoo with that font. It just says I love you and it's beautifully done. It's like this cute neutral color that's like an off-white. Of course I have another Begonia maculata. You'll see I have a bunch of them. I love this planter. I think it's so cute. They do actually come with drainage holes, so if you wanted, you could plant directly into the pot, but I honestly just don't like doing that ever. Like I just don't. So I used it as a cash pot. I think that's it from Target. All right, so next up I got this pot at, where did I get it? Hobby Lobby, right? No, Home Goods. I got this pot at Home Goods and I really like it. It's got some cute detailing to it and I just love the legs on it. I need more pots like this and probably gonna end up getting some more, but for now I love this one. It's just with the legs, it's so cute. I'm waiting for my croton to get a little bit bigger to be like a floor plant because right now I still have it on a table. But yeah, I really like this. It's so cute. So next up from Home Goods as well, I got this pot, and let me show you guys like the size reference. It's a lot smaller, but it kind of like reminds me of each other, except this one has like wooden legs and this one has ceramic legs. This pot inside it is a 4-inch pot, so pretty small, but I think it's so cute and I actually love the wooden detailing at the bottom to the legs. I think this one, oh yeah, it was $7.99 and it still has a sticker on the bottom. I just love like cute decorative pots like this. And I got a bunch of white ones, but then I also want to get some colorful ones just to kind of mix things up a little bit. Last up from Home Goods is another very similar one, and it is this one. It came with the stand and this pot. Very similar. They're like white with these like gold, kind of brushed gold detailing and then wooden legs. And yes, I have my Albo Syngonium in this pot. And she's actually not given me a new leaf in a long time, but I finally see a new one coming out. But yeah, this is so cute. Love this pot. Home Goods is like the spot for pots, honestly, and pretty affordable, I would say. Another planter I got from Home Goods is this beautiful planter, and I feel like this is one of my faves. Like, they had this in a bunch of other sizes, so I kind of want to go back and see if they're still there so I can make a little set. But I do have my Monstera Stiltobacana in this. It's so cute. If you look up close, it's got this like paint splatter detailing on it, and it couldn't be any better, honestly. It's a neutral color. It's got white in it. It's got some like black splotches, brownish black splotches. So this is so my vibe. I love it. All right, I think you guys are gonna die for these because I died for them. I had seen them on Instagram at Big Lots and I had to go look for them myself. They're these funny phrase pots. This one says, I like plants more than people, and this one says, sometimes I wet my plant. I mean, you know I had to get these, right? Like there's no way I couldn't get these. They had some other ones that were like similar phrases that I want to go back for, but my Big Lots did not have it. Literally, these were the only two left. This is a big one. This is like a 6-inch planter pot, and then this one I would say is a 4-inch, and the pot barely fits in it, so it's exactly 4 inches. But this one's cool because it comes with a little saucer, and I actually like how this one's plain ceramic. This one's like grainy painted blue and white, which I actually am not a fan of. Like I'm not a fan of this color at all, but I could not pass up this phrase, so I had to get it. And I have my begonia maculata in here. Next up is Ikea. So I went to Ikea to get some plain plant pots so I could have a bunch of them that kind of look the same, and I didn't really even end up doing that, but I need to go back for more. I got these and I love them. I just feel like these weren't that cheap, which they probably were. I honestly don't remember if they were like $4 or $5, but they're really cool. They have this like grayish tint to them, so it just makes them a little bit different than your normal plant pot, and I really liked that. It fits my 4-inch pots perfectly. So again, I have 2 begonia maculatas. I have so many of these. I think it's so cute and it's super shiny, and I love the little quilted detailing. It's like beautiful detailing but subtle, you know what I mean? So I really like that about it. And then from Ikea as well, and don't laugh at this plant, okay? I got this pot right here. This one has my very sad peace lily, which I'm experimenting on. I don't know if she's gonna survive, but I literally gave this one water yesterday and it's still droopy, so don't judge me. But yeah, so this pot is actually plastic. It's not glass or ceramic or anything, and it feels very, very cheapy, but I feel like it doesn't look that cheapy, I think. So my plan was to get a bunch of these. I actually bought 3 of them, but I haven't put anything in the other 2 yet. I'm just not even sure if I really like it, but for now it works. I do have like just a 4-inch pot in this one, but a lot bigger could fit. So I would say it could fit maybe like a 5-inch. I don't know if I don't think it'll fit a 6-inch, but maybe a 5-inch for sure. So yeah, I wanted to test it out. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it was like $1 or something like that, or $1.50. It was very, very cheap. So that's why I got it. All right, so next up is actually something I bought on Facebook Marketplace. So I don't even know if I should count that, but I got this basket. So I know it's not like a plant pot or a planter, but I consider this a planter because I put my plant in it. I have my philodendron sellum in here, and one trick that I learned, because my philodendron sellum it's too small, so I actually stacked it on top of a candle down there. So it's sitting on a candle, so that's how it's more higher up. But I just wanted to throw this in here because I feel like baskets could be a very, very good plant pot or plant decor, plant decoration. So I don't think you should rule that out when you are plant pot shopping, and I just wanted to throw that in there real quick. So that's the end of this plant pot haul. Hopefully I don't buy this many plant pots in March because I'm kind of putting myself on a budget right now. I literally went ham, and it's because I just moved here, so I kind of wanted new stuff. Like that was just a way to treat myself. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every single Thursday and Sunday. I'm actually thinking of adding a day and doing Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you want to see that, let me know. Also follow me on Instagram at Casa Rose. I will be updating you guys on all the stuff that I find before it hits YouTube. And with that all being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!